here, and this is a different case with numerous chromosomal abnormalities, as you can really see, and some show amplifications, chromosome 8, and definitely that includes the MEC gene. Next slide. And as you can really see here, there are different levels of amplification. But the striking one is the KRAS gene amplification. You can see it on the right upper corner. And definitely there's a mix. There's also BDGFR alpha gene amplifications. The FGFR1 is slightly amplified, not that much, maybe a couple of copies. The NPM genes is very highly amplified, as you can see here. Next slide. When we look at the expression levels, so there is FGFR1 amplification, but at the same time, there is, overexpression. There is also ERB-B2, which is the HER2 gene overexpression as compared with sarcoma. It's quite possible if you compare this with breast cancer, this will not be called as overexpression. There is also overexpression of VEGF alpha and of VEGF A, and this is very important for vascularities. The EGFR gene is also overexpressed in this particular patient. All this overexpression, in my opinion, very relevant for distinguishing this particular tumor from other types of sarcomas. Next slide. Now, if we look at the mutation profile, so as you can see, there's also a mutation in the BDGFR alpha in addition to the other genes, and the FGFR1 is also mutated, and as you can see, there are multiple genes are mutated here, and the BDL, actually the TMB, the tumor mutation burden is very high, so this patient also can be eligible for therapy with immune therapy. Next slide. Next slide. So this is the summary. Go back, please. So as you can really see here in the summary, there are multiple options for treatments, and in particular, the slide before this, please. In particular, for treatment with various inhibitor for the BDGFR and other kinase inhibitors. Dr. Pecora?
Yeah, so in this particular patient, because of what was presented, he is currently being treated with a TKI and doing okay, and we're waiting to see what happens, and then we'll use the information as presented to make further decisions.
The FGFR1, for example, FGFR inhibitor, would you consider based on overexpression alone, Dr. Pecora?
You would. I mean, sarcomas can be driven by very limited changes, and so I would consider it.